Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to share someone's video to your TikTok account. So you have to, for this, open your TikTok account. So when it's open, you can any random video like this. You have to click to the share button on the right side, the arrow of right. So there is the option of repost. You have to click to the repost and click to OK, and it will be reposted of this someone videos to your account. So it is very easy. You can share any someone's video to your account. You can also share with their friends of your repost. Hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.